So you got your stock headlights. Pop off these rubber boots. Take out the old headlights. And these new ones, they got this plastic right here that you twist and it comes off. You can see it's got the little grooves here to line up. So obviously you can see this. It's your high beam, lifts the light up. You're gonna stick that right in there. Give it a twist so it pops out. So you line up these tabs where they go. Now latch it down. Throw this rubber boot back on. Make sure this is facing up towards the top. Put it in at an angle so you lock into those grooves. Give it a twist. Locks in. Done. That's simple. Same thing. Line up your grooves. Give it a twist. Lock it in. Simple.